Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this easy crochet flower for headband. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. Prepare crochet yarn and crochet hook. You can use any yarn. The size of your yarn makes a difference in which hook you will want to use. If you look at the label of any skein of yarn, there will be a suggested hook size listed. Start with a slip knot. Like this. And begin with chain 4. Slip stitch on first chain to form a loop. You can see the loop. For this first round, chain 2, and this chain 2 doesn't count as a double crochet. Do 12 double crochet on this loop. So this is 1 double crochet, two double crochet, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is 12 double crochet. To finish this round, you can see this is our chain 2, and this is the first double crochet. We will slip stitch on this first double crochet. Slip stitch, and we are going to make the flower petals. Chain 1, and we will do 1 petal in the same stitch here. So to do the petal, make 1 single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, and 3 treble crochet. After this, make 1 double crochet, one half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. I will cut this yarn. You can see this is the first double crochet. Now we skip this second double crochet and we will do next petal on this third double crochet here. So we just repeat the petal pattern. That's 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 treble crochet, one double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. And repeat this until we have 6 petals. To finish this, slip stitch to the chain 1. This is the shape that I used to make this flower. I make a smaller flower like this. Now I will hide this yarn. Attach the flowers together and start sewing the beads and rhinestones. Secure the thread and trim it. Our simple crochet flower is finished. Thanks for watching. If you like this simple crochet flower, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.